Ay, mga kaibigan, grabe ka puno. Oh. Grabe ka puno ang eroplano ngayon. Punong-puno mga kaibigan yung mga yung mga bag. Mabuti nga yung bag ko nadala ko talaga. Kasi yung iba pinag-check-in. Yung mga carry-on, mayroon doon sa likod nag-alboroto siya sa likod dahil pinag-check-in yung kanyang carry-on. Ako, importante i-check. Dala ko talaga yung carry-on ko. Sabi ni Dada Kano, magdala ka ng carry-on in case ano mangyari sa check-in luggage. Mayroon kang carry-on na dala, di ba? Ano yung extra gamit. So, ayan naman kaibigan. Pasok na tayo dito. Delta bound to JFK. Wow, ayan. Maulan sa labas. Maulan sa labas mga kaibigan. Sana Lord, gabayan nyo kami sa aming biyahe. Fast free Wi-Fi, Sky Miles. Oh, may Wi-Fi pala dito. May Wi-Fi ang eroplano na to mga kaibigan. Okay, so ayan ang bag natin. Malakas pa rin ang ulan. Ako, paghati dinadakan sa... Uy, andito ang gwapong piloto. Oh. Ayan ang piloto mga kaibigan. Batang-bata pa ng piloto, pugi. Puging-pugi, oh. Di ba? Pinauna natin siya kay... Oh, ayan. Hi, good morning. Thank you. Ayan. Ayan na po tayo sa loob. Hello? Sa loob na kami ng eroplano. Ito yung mga, yung mga mahal na mga upuan. Ayan. Tayo mga kaibigan, doon lang tayo sa economy dito. Wala, grabe ka puno talaga. Walang space. Oh, ayan oh. Walang space ngayon.
At this time, large bags must go in an overhead bin, and small bags will be shown under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Small moment of rest station to turn on you or in your seat pocket.
Grabe, walang space mga kaibigan. Puno, good.
If you're seated in an exit seat, please review the exit seat criteria and responsibilities on the safety information part of your seat pocket. If you do not meet these criteria,
Malapit na tayo sa ating trono.
having any condition where you may yourself performing or so you may suffer bodily harm to your public function.
It is.
Please contact the vice principal. Again, good afternoon and welcome aboard.
Ayan, puno-puno din. Oh, grabe, walang space talaga. Sana mayroon akong upper, malayo pa tayo sa Okay. Ay, katabi ko pala yung ano. Sit right there. I thank God. Mayroon akong upuan. Alright. I'll be in the window. Please, excuse me. Okay, hold on. Oh, I'm good. I got this. Thank you.
The middle seat's the only one that's good under seat.
Okay, thank you. Alright, we're here now.
If we're lucky, nobody's gonna be in it.
Alright, dito na tayo.
Good afternoon. We're only a few minutes away from the on-time departure. We do need your assistance at this time with stepping into your row. Once you reach the row, please show any and all carrying items that you may need. If you do need any additional assistance, flight attendants are available in the aisle at this time routing overhead bin space. Thank you again and welcome aboard.
For those customers that are seated towards the aft of the aircraft, passing rows 28, if you have a bigger roller board,
Eh, mga kaibigan ang loob.
Once again, folks, you're seated towards the aft.
So yung bag natin, ilalim natin. Ayan. Ay, salamat sa Diyos at andito na ako. Okay. Lagyan natin sa under seat.
So we kindly ask for you to limit yourself to place your bigger roller board in the overhead bin space and your second item, whatever it is, underneath the seat in front of you.
Umulan pa talaga dito mga kaibigan. Oh, walang katapusang ulan talaga. Oh, ayun. Delta. Bound to JFK. JFK to AMS. Ayan. Grabe ka puno ngayon. Hello sa inyong lahat.
Couple more minutes, we have you up to gate for on-time departure. Once we do take off, 2 hours, 18 minute flight, 37 hours feet. Won't be rise on the climb out just due to the weather. The area is to fly attention to rain. And we can see most really fast. So we get all the rough air. Keep it on as equal found on the overhead. Please breathe deep. Weather is wind numbers west and on now. Probably got it skies up temperature 77 degrees. Next flight up.
Ayan mga kaibigan, in few minutes, alis na tayo. Malaki pala itong aeroplano na to. Hanggang doon pa pala to. So itong upuan natin, tayo po ang namimili sa upuan natin. Kinuha ko yung window mga kaibigan. Tapos yung longer flight ko, kumuha ako ng aisle seat. Para kung gusto nating magbanyo, yung katabi nating natutulog, hindi natin maisturbo. Kaya kumuha ako ng doon sa aisle. Sa gilid talaga.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost ready to go. At this time, we need all passengers to please take your seat and stow any carry-on items. If you do need any additional help at this time, flight attendants are available in the aisle.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Yung katabi natin, Amerikano. Yung katabi natin.
Good times.
Ingat po kayo mga kaibigan. Magandang ano po, gabi. Pag maatras to, i-ano natin, pakita natin. Pwede ka pala dito manood ng live TV. Magbigay sila mga kaibigan ng ano. Magbigay sila mga kaibigan ng headphone. Ayan, steward. Ano bang panoorin natin dito? Balita. Meron naman akong headphone. Nadala din. Nood din ng TV. They make sure muna na yung mga tao nakasettle.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do need to close the boarding door at this time. We do need you to please take your seat and stow any current items. If you are going to be switching a seat, we ask that you please wait and remain seated until the boarding process is over. We cannot close the door until all passengers are seated and all bins are closed at this time. We are delaying the boarding process.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we will need your cooperation. And as soon as you find your seat, please clear the aisle.
Aalis na mga kaibigan.
We're just
Pinagre-ready
about to
na.
have- Folks, once again, if you find your seat, please clear the aisle. Thank you.
Nagmamadali na sila kayong iba kasi medyo, syempre, hindi makita yung kanilang seat number. Kasi pag aalis talaga sa oras talaga mga kaibigan. Kasi no delay. Kasi mayroon pang mga connecting flights ang mga pasahero. Walang oras na isa sinasayang. Ako may connecting flights pa ako. Pupunta pa ako sa... Mag-transfer pa ako ng terminal. Ay.
Outboard doors now closed. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as they are properly secured. Federal regulations prohibit use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make voice over your calls is not allowed. We're now most ready to go, so please take your seat, fasten your seatbelt, to rotate table turn items, and show your eye armrest in the resting position.
help getting something up there? Is this yours?
Yung mga ibang
Flight attendants
pasahero.
on doors for departure, cross check and all call.
Yung ibang mga pasahero, mga kaibigan, hindi pa talaga nagsitol pa. Hindi naman malakas yung ulan. Okay lang.
No, I booked a couple of months ago. This one? Yeah, really. It was showing open for some reason. So what happened was I had another work supposed to go on. Things changed, so I had to credit it and I booked it. I'm like, all right, that's great. Just take a move, whatever. Like, it did work out, yeah. You ready?
Nood tayo ng balita. Saan man eh?
Welcome aboard. My name is Annie and I'm your flight leader on today's flight. Our crew for
Alis na mga kaibigan. O, ayan. Gumalaw na.
Welcome to our Sky Miles and Medallion members. We appreciate you continue to trust us with your travel. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video screen for a brief presentation of the safety features of this aircraft. If your video monitor is not working at this time, please bring your call light to let us know.
Alis na. Alis na kami. Ayan. At least umulan ba?
Which is why our operations and customer center is on duty 24/7, 365 days a year. Here, over 500 team members, including top-tier meteorologists and data analysts, plan and monitor thousands of flights around the world. They're the crew behind your flight crew, and they're a crew like no other. Now sit back, relax, and please pay attention to this important safety presentation.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message.
Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin.
Dito mga kaibigan, wala nang tumatayo na nagde-demo, kundi dito ka na manood sa monitor.
Handheld, portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secure. If you lose an electronic device, please do not adjust the seat. Ask a crew member for help.
Matras na.
Aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on.
Nakamonitor na mga kaibigan.
Please keep it fastened whenever you are seated.
Wala nang tumatayo doon.
And the crew may also need to
Yung mga crew. Ang crew ito ng TV monitor.
Federal regulations require all customers to comply with all crew member instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling or
Hello mga
destroying
kaibigan,
rescue
ingat
smoke
po.
detectors.
Ayan, alis na kami. Kahit
On this plane.
ulan dito.
Two on each side and forward
Nagdala po
doors
ako ng
to
raincoat.
The forward doors have
In
detachable
case may
slides that
ulan.
can be used for flotation.
Dala ko ng
Flight
raincoat.
rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. The rear two window exits have an escape strap attached inside the exit frame, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing. If you are wearing high
Meron po
heels,
sila ditong
please remove
charger,
them
oh.
first to avoid damaging the slide.
Doon, charge
In
ka
case
doon,
of an
plug.
evacuation, follow crew instructions and leave all bags to avoid slowing the evacuation. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Locate the nearest exits and remember, they might be behind you. If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull
Reach
the
up and
mask
pull the
down to
mask
start
down.
the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip
Meron
the
naman po
elastic
dito
strap
din,
over your
mga
head
pliers
and adjust
nila.
the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the gas doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask
Ayan.
before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, flight vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane,
Mag-ano tayo,
place the vest
mag-layover
up or down
tayo
on the
sa
red tab at the bottom,
GFK.
or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder
Grabe
level.
talagang weather
A
dito, oh.
water-activated light is attached to each vest.
Talagang makapal yung ulap.
5 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life
Ingat po
vests for
kayo
in-law
dyan.
children are in a marked compartment at the front of the plane.
Oh wow, ayan na po tayo. Nagboylo na ang eroplano.
Start your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Carry-on items are secure,
Ayan na.
and armrests are at the resting position.
Finally, take a moment to review the safety
Nag-ano na yung eroplano, mga kaibigan,
in your seat pocket. As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, we appreciate you and thank you for flying with Delta.
Ingat po kayo ha. Ingat po, bye-bye.